Dr. Zakir, is it permitted for people who are appointed to collect the zakat to take their salary from the zakat they are collecting, even if that person or group of people appear to be wealthy?
As I mentioned, the third category who can receive zakat are the Aamiloon, those who are involved in collecting of the zakat, or they are administrating the zakat, how it is collected, how it is distributed. So if a person spends his time in the collection of zakat from different Muslims and spends his time in seeing to it that it reaches the rightful person who falls in these categories, even if he's wealthy, you can pay from the zakat fund his salary, because he is giving his time and he should be paid for the labor he's doing. And there's a hadith in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of Zakat, hadith number 1643, that Ali ibn Sayyidi, may Allah be pleased with him, he was appointed by Hazrat Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, to collect the zakat funds. And after he collected and gave it to Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he gave him some money. So he said, I did it for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My reward will come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I don't require this money. So he said, take it and keep it, because I was also appointed by the messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he gave me money, and when he gave me money, I said somewhat same thing what you had said. But he told me that if you are given something for which you have not asked, don't refuse it and use it for a personal thing and take it as sadaqah. So even though you are rich, if someone gives you, so this proves that a person who is rich also can be given for the service he has given for collecting and the administration of the zakat funds.
Jazakallah khair.